Oh my gosh, it's the middle of January and I haven't written down my New Year's resolutions. Number 1, stop procrastinating. Get fit, study more, work harder, spend less. Same old, same old. Never any follow through. I want to do something different this year to make a difference. What about this? Let's see. Okay, first is prayers. Pray every day for others in the church. I can do that. Presents. Show up. Be present in church. Sure, why not? I'm already doing that. But maybe I can go to Sunday school too. Gifts. I give to the church when I can, but I think I will give online every other week when I get paid. I can set that up on my computer. Not bad. What else? Next on the list is service. That's easy. I love to volunteer. I'm pretty active, but maybe I can go on a mission trip this year or teach Vacation Bible School. Witness. I'm really not the preaching type, but I guess I could invite someone to church. This list looks pretty good. I like this better. Better than recycling the same old list. Okay, Lord, this is for you. Please bless these resolutions and help me keep them in 2012. In your name, amen.